Hello, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh. Every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So thank you very much for stopping by here. In today's video, we're going to look at, is it too late to build wealth? Now, that's a loaded question. Right now, a lot of people are struggling. A lot of people are going through some very difficult times after we just went through the crazy health crisis, and a lot of people are just trying to get back into the flow of things. And it's very difficult if you've lost your job, or if you have a job but your hours have been cut, you've experienced a decrease in your income. Then it's hard for you to sit there and go, well, how do I create wealth? But I'm here to tell you that it is possible. It is possible for you to create wealth, no matter where your position is right now. I'm a living example of that. All right, so you can't give up on life. I'm not a motivational speaker. I am not a financial advisor. I am not a tax professional. However, I'm just a regular guy on YouTube who has found ways in which to make my life better. And that's why I created this channel, to help people. So if this resonates with you, if you're going through very difficult times right now, I don't know when you're going to watch this video or when you see this video. It might be, very recent, or it might be months from now. But I'm here to tell you that if you set your mind to it, you can build wealth. You can create wealth for yourself and for your family. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So I suggest, you subscribe to this channel, you hit the notification bell, all right, so that YouTube will notify you of my videos, and then you can watch my journey. I want to bring you on this journey, with me, to see my progression. So, is it too late to build wealth? Is it too late to create wealth? And I'm here to tell you, no, it's not too late. As long as you put your mind to it, as long as you take charge of your destiny. You cannot rely on someone else to build wealth for you. You cannot rely on the government to be there for you. Yes, the government can have, things in place that facilitates your being able to build wealth for yourself. However, you can't rely on politicians, you can't rely on your family, you can't rely on people to help you build wealth. You have to make that decision. You have to take charge of your wealth creation. Okay, it all starts with, number one, you have to be disciplined enough to want to create wealth for yourself. We only have a short time on earth, so you cannot walk around being safe, or you cannot walk around accepting where you are right now. If you're sick and tired of where you are, which is what happened to me, I was sick and tired of where I was financially, and I decided to make some changes. And I'm heading and I am moving along in strides. Okay, you have to take the baby steps, but it all starts with you. You have to realize that you are responsible for creating your own wealth. Life is too short to live a mediocre life. Life is too short to be stressed out. Life is too short to live paycheck to paycheck. Life is too short not being able to afford anything. I see people driving around in Ferraris, in Lamborghinis, in Mercedes and all that. And I'm like, you know what? Why are they driving that and I'm not driving that? Okay, how are they able to afford stuff like that? Okay, so it gets my mind thinking. It should get your mind thinking as well. Now, if you don't care about material possessions, but at least the concept of creating wealth, the concept of having financial independence, it's priceless. Okay? So you have to wake up, you have to come to the realization that you are responsible for your own future. You are responsible for creating wealth. Why would you want to go through life, struggling every single day? I'm not saying that my life is the best right now. I'm still in that process. But sometimes you have to create your own luck. You have to create your own destiny. And which is what I'm doing right now. Okay, I am building multiple sources of income. I still have my 9-to-5 job, but guess what? That's not stopping me. All right, and that shouldn't stop you as well. So this is a heart-to-heart, this is a candid conversation with anyone out there who comes across this video that yes, you can build wealth. And I'm a living testimony to that. I am currently building my wealth, all right? And I'm sharing that with you, okay? So look around you. There are examples of people that shouldn't have made it in life. For instance, I'll give you an example. Colonel Sanders, who founded Kentucky Fried Chicken, or KFC. Colonel Sanders was in his 60s when he started KFC. His whole life he had been a cook. His whole life he had been experimenting with this recipe for cooking chicken, for frying chicken, and he couldn't get anyone to endorse it. And he never gave up on his dreams. He never gave up on his goals. But guess what? He was being persistent. He persevered, and he was disciplined enough to see his vision through. And guess what? We have Kentucky Fried Chicken today. And by the time he passed away, he was a multi-millionaire. Most people his age would have given up on life. Most people his age would have just said, you know what, I throw in the towel, I'm done. But he never gave up on his dreams. He never gave up on his goals of creating a business, of starting a business, of building wealth. And guess what? It paid off for him at the end. So what are you scared of? What are you afraid of? No one said it was going to be easy. However, it is not too late for you to build wealth. You just have to be disciplined. You have to want it. You have to be sick and tired of where you are right now and go, you know what? I want to create wealth before I leave this earth. I want to leave a legacy for my family. Like I said, this is not meant to be a motivational video. Okay, my channel is not about motivational stuff, okay? But I'm just sick and tired of people who are not living to their fullest potential. I'm not saying that I'm living to my best potential, but at least I'm working towards it. I'm doing things every day. You want to make sure that you do things every day, okay, that will get you ahead, that will give you a competitive advantage over others. So don't let every minute, don't let every hour go by and you're not doing something productive. You have to do something productive. So to cut this short, I just want to thank you for being here, and I hope this resonates with you. It is not too late for you to build wealth. It is not too late for you to create wealth. I'm a living example, so please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I've given myself a 5-year time frame to build my wealth, and I'm inviting you to come on this journey with me. Don't get left behind. I want you to come with me on this journey. I want you to do something for yourself as well to create your own wealth, because life is too short. What are you going to be remembered for? All right, so thank you so much for being here. If this video means a lot to you, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all my subscribers. You've been all wonderful, helping grow this channel. I thank you so much, and make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. So thank you so much for being here, and please make sure you watch the next video coming up, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.